Good morning, class.
Good
Good morning,
morning.
class. Today, before we start, let me call a register to see if all you guys are present. So, is Judy Gerono in? Yes, Judy was in.
Yes, I mean,
Good. Mulinge,
Yes, I'm in.
David,
Amin, present?
you are in?
Yes.
Yes, he's in. I know he's in. Nyaga,
Yes, I'm in.
welcome. You can start. So, your presenter teacher here, is Kefa Otengo presenting. I'm going to take you. Welcome, David. Present, welcome. So, welcome to class. I'm your trainer, Kefa Otengo. I'm going to take you through this lesson uh, on installation of WordPress. You can review last time we talked about several WordPress, several not WordPress, but several website creation tools. We talked about Dreamweaver and other softwares. But today, because you cannot talk all of them, you will research others, but at least you should know one. So today we are going to talk about WordPress. It's a very famous content management system. It is used for making websites. You don't have to code too much. You can see it's used by millions. So by the end of this lesson, I want you to recognize that WordPress is a very popular website creation platform. Yeah, it's used by millions. You can even check even almost 90% of the government institutions and parastatals and the schools and all governments, they're using it because it's of its advantages. But also, by the end of the lesson, also you will learn the steps of installing this platform WordPress, which is you just download, upload, and install. So, what's WordPress? WordPress is a popular content management system. Very popular. No coding experience to manage a website. You don't need to too much coding. Coding has already been done for you. Yeah, it uses coding language like PHP. So if you already know this language, it even becomes so easy for you. No writing complex code. It's user friendly. Adding page, creating a page is just like you create within 5 minutes. You have created a page. You don't have to write a code from scratch. Add, Adding content is easy. Managing users, you can add users to manage the blog posts, the pages. Just by million on a website. So and it's free. It's free. So if it's used by a lot of people, you can post your question or in their forum and you find a lot of replies. A lot of replies from fellow people who are using. So, so a website, example of a website using this kind of web platform is like Nairobi, Nairobi government, county, GAPS. Check all the ICT authority, all ministries that are using the WordPress. They have adopted the WordPress. And unless that website needs a backend like a storage of database, that's now another story for this one. So, class, I want to ask you. So, from what we have been discussing, what are the benefits of using CMS like WordPress for website creation. These are things that we have just discussed. So someone who can volunteer and answer me, what are the benefits of using CMS like WordPress? You answer to the class there. Okay. Yes, Mugambi.
Uh,
Mugambi, you can answer.
I would say an advantage of the benefit of using WordPress is that it's very easy to use, even for those who don't have experience in programming.
Yes. Very good. Congratulations, David. That's a very good answer. It's very easy to use the WordPress for creating a website. Yeah, no complex. So that's a very good answer.
Kefa,
Also,
hebu ongeza sauti.
you can't hear me. Okay, let's proceed. Nimeongeza sauti hapo. So let's. How do you install this WordPress? Okay, it's as we said, it's very easy to install the WordPress platform on you install it on your server, web server. When you have bought a domain, you understand what's a web server. So you download the CMS, and so CMS is a content management software from the official WordPress website. Then when you have downloaded, it's on your computer. Everybody knows how to download something. Just go there, it's free. I told you it's free. Then you upload it. Now move the downloaded file to your web server. Now you upload it on the web server, and from when you are uploading, it will prompt you to run installation using the domain. This is just a simple generic steps. Then there are other styles like some web servers. They have uh, they have already the WordPress ready to be installed. Just click on install. It's like a marketplace. The way you install your Android apps on your phone. Just click on the web server. It's installed for you. It's free, so it has been licensed to be used on the web server. So once you have run the installation, it will ask you to enter password. This part you should be careful about. For security measures, you should not share your password. You should have zero trust. You guys, I understand you know about cyber security and hacking, so you should not share the password. You should not even save it. You should not even write it. You should have a very strong password. Use double authentication. All these things you're going to learn. You'll understand. You will understand more as we dig deeper. We'll go even to securities later in another lessons. So once you have run the installation, the WordPress install the core structure of a website. Like a database, it installed for you, it creates for you a database for storing pages, post photos. It does these things for you. So you just use your username and password to access the dashboard so that you can customize your website using your domain on your domain. So when you have a password, you access the dashboard. There's something called a theme. Huh? A theme. Now this one is for advanced users who know how to code. Unless if you don't know how to code, you can buy a theme. You research on these things. I want you by you be curious, so you study about the WordPress using these things, and you create a website at least. So when you want to referring the steps, in case you are lost, in case you have a lot of questions running in your head, you can visit the website for WordPress official website. You will see installation guide there. So I have a simple activity before we can finish the lesson. I have a question. Can you explain how to set up a website using WordPress? Yeah, somebody. It's just these things we have already discussed. It's not a very hard question. Just if you have an answer, you can tell me. Somebody raise an hand, and then I will. You can tell us how to install WordPress, how to set up a website using WordPress. Somebody? Somebody? The question was yes. David Mugambi. Good, good.
Uh,
How do you set up a website using WordPress? Just like answering class 1 in layman language.
okay, let me try. As I would say that developing using WordPress is either you go to the WordPress website and download the that is the WordPress CMS into your local server and then customize from there. Alternatively, where you have bought the hosting space, most of the webhosts provide the WordPress CMS, whereby you can just look at the cPanel and get it, click on it, and you're able to customize your website from there. And you just after you customize, you can just keep it live, push it to be live.
Yes, yes, that's exactly. And there are two ways. Maybe you can still find it on the web server and then click and install it, or you can download and upload it there. Yeah. So, so we have come to an end of the class. So I'm going to give you an assignment, a simple assignment where you're going to research. Go visit maybe even this government website, school websites, major all the websites you admire most. Maybe you admire some two websites, and try to find out any clue that suggests they might be built with WordPress. Yeah, you do a quick search online to see if you can perform confirm if there is your nini. If it's true they are using WordPress, just to check. Can this assignment you can do for your own? It's for your own benefit. You will understand that this used by a lot of people, and you will have confidence. If you have this skill, you will help. You will be of high value. You can help the government, the schools, put them in the cloud, and they can show their information using websites, which you can create within a day. You can even earn from asking them for fee for doing this service. Yeah, I know some people don't have time to even download WordPress, or they're not tech savvy. I know you will do this question. So thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice time. We'll meet next time. If you have any question, you can reach me out. My numbers are on the screen. I will help you in any issues. If you come through any issues, I will help you. Have a nice day.
Okay, let me try to share though